What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and today guys I'm reviewing some new props. Now they're not new on the market, they've been out for a while, but I haven't flown them yet because I'm always skeptical of new products and you never know, so I like to kind of see how they work out before I put them on my own thing. So today I'm testing out the GemFan. These are the 75mm 3-inch ducted props. These are meant for Cinewhoops. Specifically, I think they were designed for the squirt. Don't quote me on that, I could be wrong. So lately, or since I had my squirt, I have been running these. These are the GemFan 3028. These are the Windancer version of the prop. And I've been, just cutting them myself as usual. Now, one thing, these normally will fit into the ducts. You don't have to trim them. I trimmed mine. And the reason I did that was because when I print out my ducts for my Cinewhoop, I like to make the walls a little bit thicker, so that way if I hit or if I crash, it takes a little bit more of the brunt instead of ruining everything else. Also, when I'm flying, I'm just going to be using my GoPro Hero 7, and I'm not going to be using Real Steady or anything like that. It's just going to be the normal stabilized GoPro video that I would use on any of my Cinewhoop stuff. Again, I normally use the smaller 3028s. I'm going to try these. I've heard lots of good things about them, and we'll see just how it does. So we'll take it outside and we'll see how they do. Alright, so after flying a couple of packs around with these new GemFan, well they're not new, but they're new to me, the GemFan 75mm ducted whoop blades, these are actually pretty decent. They actually fly really good. Actually, they keep the squirt a lot more stabilized. They just feel nice. They just feel really, really, really good. So I definitely am going to be switching over to these for sure. They come in a variety of different colors, so you can get them in lots of different colors. And just so you guys know, this is just a GoPro 7. And it is not going to be using real steady, just the normal stabilized inside there. That's it. And I'm running a Tattoo 850 milliamp battery, 75C. That's what I normally run on my squirt. So yeah, I'm thoroughly impressed. I'm going to be switching over to these props. And the motors, after the second pack, they did get a little warm. I didn't let the motors cool down a whole lot, but even after the first pack, like, and they're just like lightly warm. Like, I can hold on to them, as you can see. Like, it's not like super hot, they're just warm like normal. Yeah, I'm thoroughly impressed, guys. So hope you enjoyed this little review, and in the meantime, while you're waiting for my next video, let's keep these drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day.